My name is Jennifer Purdy. I'm going to show you how to teach your second grade students how to identify, perform, and create simple rhythm patterns. We'll use a variety of songs and activities. First, we need to know the definitions of beat and rhythm. Beat is a steady pulse that can be sounded or silent. This is a beat. This is a beat. This shows a beat. And this shows a beat. Rhythm is the organization of sounds and silences. Long and short sounds and silences can be organized into rhythmic patterns. One way to play a rhythm is to use the rhythm of the words in a song or poem. Let's sing the song, Hot Cross Buns. First, we will keep a steady beat as we sing. 1, 2, sing with me, hot cross buns, hot cross buns. 1 a penny, 2 a penny, hot cross buns. Now let's sing and play the rhythm of the words. 1, 2, sing and tap, hot cross buns, hot cross buns. 1 a penny, 2 a penny, hot cross buns. Let's do the rhythm of the words one more time. This time we'll lightly tap the rhythm of the words on our shoulders as we sing. 1, 2, sing and tap, hot cross buns, hot cross buns. 1 a penny, 2 a penny, hot cross buns. Listen, which words from the song am I playing? Listen again. Which words from the song am I playing now? I like that I don't need to explain the rhythms in detail, but students can still differentiate between the rhythms and connect them to the words of the song. To assess student proficiency for playing the rhythm of words, simply watch your students. Are they accurately playing the rhythm of the words as they sing? Give them lots of opportunities to play the beat and the rhythm of the words to simple songs. Now I'm going to show you how to teach your students to read and play simple rhythms using music notation. Beats may be represented by hearts. Just as your heartbeat may be fast or slow, it is still steady. You can create simple rhythms by playing 1, 2, or no sounds in each beat. We can use a form of rhythm language. When there is 1 sound per beat, we say ta. Where there are 2 sounds in a beat, we say ti-ti. This rhythm sounds like ti-ti-ta, ti-ti-ta. Play this rhythm with your fingers as you say it. Let's do it 3 times. Ti-ti-ta, 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 ti-ti-ta. Ti-ti-ta, ti-ti-ta. Notice that the underlying beat is steady. Here's another one. Tap your fingers and read this rhythm. Ti-ti-ta, ta. Notice that there is no sound in the 4th heart. That's called a rest. It still gets 1 beat of silence. Notice that I make a gesture with my hands to feel that beat without making any sound. Ti-ti-ta, ta. Let's do that one again 3 times in a row. Tap and read the rhythm. There's a reminder. There's your rhythm. Ti-ti-ta, ta. Ti-ti-ta, ta. Ti-ti-ta, ta. You can also use the rhythm of sight words or vocabulary words to make a rhythm pattern. In my classroom, I've used the words hat and mitten for the students to create their own rhythms. Right now, let's use the word flower and tree. Play and say this rhythm. Flower, tree, tree, tree. Flower, tree, tree, tree. It would sound like this. Let's try this one. Flower, 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 tree. Flower, 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 tree. We saw in the last with the hearts, we saw that sometimes there's a beat of silence. It's also called a rest, and it can be shown using this symbol. So here's a pattern that utilizes the rest symbol. Tree, 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 tree. Notice that each card, I'm still tapping on each card for one beat, but the rest is a beat of silence. You can have your students create and play their own simple rhythms, have half your students play the steady beat, the other half play a repeated simple rhythm, then switch. You can assess through observation. Are they playing a steady beat? Can they say and play the rhythm to a steady beat? Can they read and play simple music notation? Can they create and play simple rhythms using music notation or icons like mittens and hats or flowers and trees? Give your students lots of opportunities to create, read, and play combinations of rhythm and beat. You are making marvelous musicians. Thank you for joining me. For additional information, you can visit the Learning First system in Canvas or the Fine Arts channel in the second grade team folder.